A few moments later.
Wait, how you do that? How you do that?
I'm gonna show you.
Show me. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scott Burnhard here, back with another video. And today's video is very special because I got a special guest with me, alright? Talk to the people.
Hi guys, my name is NOEMI. I'm a yoga teacher and I also have a degree in exercise science. Oh. And I'm also part of BARSTARZZ.
Oh, look at that. BARSTARZZ, the family, you know. And if you're part of BARSTARZZ, then you know you gotta get crazy in the bar. Alright, so guess what? Today's video is very special, alright guys, because I've been getting a lot of requests. A lot of requests in the DMs, a lot of requests in the inbox. People text me here, there, and everywhere, and they want to know, Scott, what is the progression or how to do a muscle up? So, listen, I love to do muscle ups. Muscle ups is amazing. I feel like when I first started calisthenics, I saw this people go over the bar and all of this crazy stuff. Like, I got so excited, all right? So people want to know how to do a muscle up. I had to bring a professional in to show you guys how to do the muscle up, all right?
Yes.
Good, good. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna break down the steps, you know, from 1, 2, and 3 in order to do this muscle up and to get you guys flying over the bar, all right? Let's go. Show them. All right, so before we even get crazy in the bar or do anything, so the prerequisites for a muscle up. Prerequisite for the muscle up, because it's such a very advanced and compound movement, all right? You gotta make sure that your pull-ups are in place and your dips are in place, all right? When a pull-up into a dip, it's a transition, and you gotta make sure that you're working on your core, your back, your lats, your everything. Very compound movement, all right? Do you have anything to add on to that as far as prerequisites?
Yeah, you said it perfectly. I think you should have at least 15 pull-ups.
15 pull-ups.
15 pull-ups.
No kipping?
They should be as clean as possible.
Exactly.
Chin over the bar.
Right.
And definitely have straight bar dips in your toolbox.
Nice, nice, nice. You know what? You should show them some dips right now. Show them how the dip's supposed to be looking like. Watch this. Dips. Look at that. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Clean. Breaking the 90 degrees. 8, 9, and 10. All right, good. Stop. Don't have to show off on me. Don't show off. All right, so what she just did right there was straight bar dips. And as you notice that she was going down in a 90 degree so she can get her triceps involved, all right? And also her chest as well. So let's start off with the progression with the muscle up now. Let's show them. Basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you guys how your pull-ups supposed to look, all right? This is how we don't want the pull-ups to look. None of this, all right? None of this. Look at, no reps at all. If the chin is not over the bar, it's not a rep and it does not count. All right? Because for a muscle up, you need to transition. You need to have good wrist flexion to transition to get over the bar, all right? So whatever you put your body through, your body will get used to it. So if your body's used to just not going over, your chin going over the bar, then you're not gonna go do the muscle up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, very clean. Like my grandmother's shoes on Sunday morning, man. My grandmother church shoes, very clean. Good, good, good. So as you can see, one thing I like to tell people as well is energy leakage, all right? When it comes to doing a muscle up, or when it comes to doing a pull up, or it comes to doing like most exercises, you want your energy to be in a focal point, all right? So you notice when she was doing her pull-ups, right? Her core was engaged, her glutes were squeeze the glutes, core engaged, scapula depressed, right here, coming up. 1, chin over the bar, 2. I can't do it as good as her, but I'm trying.
I can show you.
All right. One thing we want to mention, scapula. The scapular retract. Can you show that as well?
Do you want me to show it from the front or from the back?
Show it whatever you just show it from the back. Show it from the back. We want to see how her scapula is engaged. Now watch this, guys. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look how her scapula elevates. The retraction, the protraction around the rhomboids, which is the back. How lats are involved, lats are engaged. Perfect. All right, so she's showing out right now. Now I think it's time for us to show the progression of the muscle, as in the momentum, the swing, because I feel like that's very important for the people who do not have the strict muscle up. Do you want me to show the strict muscle up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show. I'll try my best. Now watch. Remember, squeeze the glutes, get your core involved, hands are straight out. Okay, now I'm showing off, Okay, so that was a strict muscle up. But for my beginners, for the people who want to learn the muscle up, there has to be some form of momentum, all right? So, show us. Watch this. Ooh, come on. You good?
Yeah.
All right, let's give her another try. Okay. Like it. Woo!
I'm getting tired.
Listen. I'm gonna keep it out there. Listen, there's not a lot of women out there that can muscle up and to do what she do. All right, so I will demonstrate how to do a momentum muscle up. So what it is, you're playing with gravity. Whatever comes up must come down. So you're trying to get out the video. So come in. Now I'm swinging. Now I'm gonna push back and come up. You see that? You see that right here? I'm gonna do it again. Use the momentum. All right? So I'm using momentum to get my body up there. Now the reason why the muscle up is so difficult, because once again, gravity, whatever comes up must come down. So you're fighting against it. The momentum will help propel you to get over the bar. All right? Do you have anything to add?
You said it perfectly.
I did? Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a bonus tip as well. Get the band. Now watch this. This is definitely a very important step for people who want to get the transition of the muscle up, because it's not easy, but with a little assistance and a resistant band like this, you will be able to go over the bar and get used to that kind of momentum and get used to that kind of movement, all right? Please demonstrate.
Sun got in my eye.
Oh no. I'm not. Good job. You seen that, right? So before, she wasn't able to do the muscle up before because she got a little tired. But even though she got tired, she was still able to place stimulus in her body. And how she did that? Through assistance, through a resistance band. All right. So there's nothing wrong having a little assistance as long as you keep on going and increasing the frequency of the workout. All right, guys. So how do you start doing a muscle up?
So I honestly started with the band. The band is super helpful to help you get over the bar right here, because that's the most difficult part of the muscle up, is the transition part. So definitely working on explosive pull-ups, making sure that you can pull up at least to your chest.
Right. So with the muscle up, you want to be explosive. So here, I'm not doing this. That movement right there is definitely not for beginner, definitely more intermediate, because you're exploding. You see how my chin is just going over the bar and I'm exploding? I'm getting used to that kind of movement and that kind of momentum, and controlling the momentum as well. The momentum is not controlling me. So as I get explosive, I can go over the bar. One more tip as well, while learning to do the muscle up or progress to a muscle up, you gotta be very careful. I always tell people, be mindful of your elbows, all right? Be mindful of your elbows. So what you want, everything to be at a focal point. You don't want your elbows to be flared out like this. You can cause a lot of damage to your rotator cuff and your scapula, all right? And we're training for longevity. We're training for longevity, and we're training smart and training hard, all right? So just make sure elbows are tucked in nice and smooth. Not out here too much, not like this. So, because you want to avoid the chicken wing. Come here. All right, guys. So there you have it. That is the progression steps to do the muscle ups, all right? Make sure your dips are in place, your pull-ups are in place. Make sure that you're doing the progression steps. Make sure that you're controlling the momentum, explosive pull-ups, and just work on your overall body. This is something that's not going to be getting in a day, but with progression, time, perseverance, and consistency, you will get it, all right? Talk to the people, man. Talk to them.
Yes. One more thing I want to add. I think learning how to do a pullover is super important.
Right.
Just because a pullover definitely incorporates your entire core, and also helps you strengthen your rotator cuff muscles, your back muscles that you need to have super strong in order to get the muscle up.
The back muscles she was talking about.
Can you point them out?
Right here. So right here you can see his traps.
Right.
Right. The rotator cuff muscles are a little bit more deep into the muscle, into the body. You can't really see them, but you can definitely see the rhomboids out here, and then you can see his posterior delts right here, and his lat muscles, of course, in the bottom.
It's the pull-ups, man, the weighted pull-ups. But that's for another time. That's enough for another video. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming onto the channel and giving us your knowledge and giving us your wisdom. And please, guys, follow her on Instagram. This is the first time that you see her on the channel, but not the last time. Is there anything you want to say anymore? Anything?
Yeah, definitely. If you stay consistent and you increase your frequency, at least training 3 times a week over a few months, definitely you will be closer to getting the muscle up.
All right, so you see, there you have it, guys. And by no time you'll be going over that bar, all right? So it's your boy, Scott Burnhard. Rate, comment, like, share, and subscribe. There will be more videos like this on progression workouts and progression of movements, and we out here, man. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My girl. We out.
Eventually.
Go. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, I'm out of that. There you go.